everybody, welcome back to my channel Skin Charm Studio. So it's been a while since I uploaded my last video, so I thought why not do something different this time. So I am going to attempt to make a DIY lip balm. It's a simple process which involves only 4 ingredients. So the first ingredient is the beeswax. It has anti-inflammatory property that can help to soothe chapped or irritated lips. The second ingredient is shea butter, that's also a natural moisturizer, and the third ingredient is coconut oil. I'm also going to add lavender oil. So lavender oil not only smells like heaven, but it also helps in treating flakiness, and it is also well known for its calming effects. Now let me show you the process of making the lip balm. So first I'm gonna pour some hot water into a bowl. Next I'm gonna insert a smaller bowl into. Next I'm gonna add beeswax, shea butter and coconut oil in the same quantity. I'm taking 1 tablespoon for now because I'm making a small batch. I added coconut oil, and it's best to use the same tablespoon for all the 3 ingredients. Now we have to melt all the ingredients and mix them well together. And this is what the mixture looks like when all the ingredients have melted. I'm gonna let it sit for a while and cool down a little bit before I add the lavender oil to it. Now I'm adding 10 droplets of lavender oil into the mixture. So I'm going to pour the mixture into this container. I got 3 containers of lip balm, which is pretty easy to make and really good for your lips, and you can use this on your skin as well. I hope you liked today's video. Do try this at home and let me know if it worked for you. Subscribe my channel if you want me to make more of such informative videos. Until we meet again, it's bye from me.
Damn.